Welcome to the South Texas Daily Weather Briefing, brought to you by the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Corpus Christi. Today is Monday, August 18th. For your weather headlines, we'll take a look at some isolated showers and thunderstorms possible throughout the week, hot and humid conditions ahead. We have a heat advisory in effect today. Find out where you can learn about more heat hazards and what is happening in the tropics. Here were today's 8 a.m. observations for South Texas. Winds were generally light out of the south-southeast this morning, with temperatures in the low to mid-80s across the region, and a few clouds scattered across the area. Mariners can expect winds to increase to 15 to 20 knots this afternoon, with seas 3 to 5 feet, and small craft should exercise caution. An isolated shower thunderstorm will also be possible across the coastal and nearshore waters today. Conditions will be hot and humid once again across land, as highs are anticipated to rise into the low to mid-90s along the immediate coast, to the upper 90s to near 100 degrees across the inland portions of the coastal counties, to near 104 degrees along the Rio Grande Plains. A heat advisory is in effect for Jim Wells and Clayburgh counties from 2 p.m. until 7 p.m., where afternoon heat index or feels-like values will range from 110 to 115 degrees. Other South Texas locations can expect heat indices between 105 and 109 degrees, with a few locations possibly having indices of 110 degrees for a short time. Be careful if you're working outdoors, and you should be sure to stay hydrated. Take frequent breaks in air-conditioned rooms. Be sure to check on elderly and the pets, and never leave children or pets unattended in vehicles. For additional information on heat hazards, heat-related illness symptoms, and first aid, heat warning and advisory products, and much more, visit the website listed on the screen, www.weather.gov/heat safety, for more information. For the rest of the week, hot conditions will continue, and heat index values will generally range from 105 to 109 degrees across much of the region during the afternoons. There is a slight chance for showers and thunderstorms over the coastal waters and coastal counties each day through Thursday. Switching gears now, here is a visible satellite imagery of the tropics. As you can see here, there's not any organized systems across the Gulf of Mexico at this time. Looking at the Atlantic tropical weather outlook from the National Hurricane Center, shower activity with a weak and elongated area of low pressure located about midway between the Lesser Antilles and the Cape Verde Islands remains disorganized. Development of this system is not expected during the next couple of days, and there's just a 10% chance of development for the next 48 hours. But beyond that, the environment conditions could become a little more favorable for development as this system moves slowly westward across the central tropical Atlantic. So within the next 5 days, there's a medium to 30% chance of development. To keep current on the tropics, hurricane development, and additional information, you can check out www.hurricanes.gov for the latest updates from the National Hurricane Center. This concludes your South Texas Daily Weather Briefing. If you have any questions pertaining to the service, please do not hesitate to contact your National Weather Service office here in Corpus Christi utilizing the Contact Us link on the blue navigational bar on the left-hand side. Thank you, and have a great day.